Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge. Study start.
Good evening guys, I hope you all are fine. So today I have come with MCQ based on Asian continent. As you know that we have already done two parts of Asian continent. So these are some of the MCQs which are based on those videos. I expect you to answer them correctly. So let's start with question number 1. Consider the following statements about Gulf of Tonkin. First is it lies between China and Taiwan. I told you in my video that it lies between China and Vietnam. So it is wrong. Second is it is part of South China Sea. Yeah, it is right. So the option would be only 2. B would be the correct option. See this map guys. As you can see it over here, this is Vietnam country, this one, vertical one, and this is China. Right. So this part is also China. This is the Gulf which is known by the name Gulf of Tonkin. So it lies between China and Vietnam. And it is part of South China Sea. As you can see it over here, this is South China Sea. So Gulf of Tonkin is part of South China Sea. So see this again, it lies between China and Vietnam. It is part of South China Sea. Yeah. So option would be only 2. Now let us do question number 2. Consider the following statements. Vladivostok is located to the southeast of Soya Strait. So guys, first of all you should know where the Soya Strait is. I told you in my videos. I hope you remember that. So it lies between Sakhalin Islands of Russia and Hokkaido Island of Japan. I will show you it in the map. So this is Vladivostok is located to the southeast of Soya Strait. No, it is wrong because it lies to the southwest of Soya Strait. Vladivostok is located along the Sea of Okhotsk. No, it is also wrong because it lies to the Sea of Japan. Right, so both the options are wrong. Then our answer would be D. So neither 1 neither 2. Sorry, neither 1 nor 2. Now let us see it in the map guys. Now see guys, first of all, Soya Strait. This is Soya Strait which lies between Sakhalin Islands of Russia and Hokkaido Islands of Japan. I told you this in my previous video also कि ये जो सोया स्ट्रेट है ये लाई करता है सखालिन आइलैंड्स जो कि रशिया के हैं और होकाइडो आइलैंड्स जो कि जापान के हैं उनके बीच में. एंड वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग आई टोल्ड यू दैट ये जो सखालिन आइलैंड्स हैं रशिया के और ये जो कुरिल आइलैंड्स हैं ये भी रशिया के हैं. ये दोनों रशिया के पार्ट हैं. डोंट कंफ्यूज किए जापान के पार्ट हैं. राइट. सो इन दोनों के बीच में लाई करती है सी ऑफ ओखोत्स्क. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट व्लादिवोस्टॉक. आई टोल्ड यू व्लादिवोस्टॉक फार ईस्टर्न प्लेस है जो कि रशिया में लोकेटेड है समवट ओवर हियर. एंड गाइज आई ऑल्सो टोल्ड यू वन थिंग, ये चाइना और नॉर्थ कोरिया के बॉर्डर के बिल्कुल पास में है. राइट. नाउ गाइज ये क्वेश्चन में बोला था कि दिस इज सोया स्ट्रेट. सोया स्ट्रेट के साउथ ईस्ट में लाई करता है व्लादिवोस्टॉक. सो इट इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज सोया स्ट्रेट के साउथ वेस्ट में लाई करता है व्लादिवोस्टॉक. राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हमारा रॉन्ग हो गया. व्लादिवोस्टॉक जो है सी ऑफ ओखोत्स्क के अलोंग लाई करता है. ये क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ था बट नो, सी ये सी ऑफ जापान के अलोंग लाई करता है. व्लादिवोस्टॉक इज लोकेटेड अलोंग द सी ऑफ जापान. सो ये भी हमारा रॉन्ग हो गया. राइट. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन अगेन. व्लादिवोस्टॉक इज लोकेटेड इन द साउथ ईस्ट ऑफ सोया स्ट्रेट. रॉन्ग. साउथ वेस्ट. व्लादिवोस्टॉक इज लोकेटेड अलोंग सी ऑफ ओखोत्स्क. नो, सी ऑफ जापान. राइट. सो द ऑप्शन वुड बी डी. Arrange the following from west to east. East Siberian Sea, Kara Sea, Laptev Sea. I also told you about this. So let us see it in the map. See this map guys. ये है Kara Sea. Then this is Laptev Sea and this is East Siberian Sea. So हम कर देते हैं इसको west to east direction में arrange. First will be Kara Sea. So ये first होगा. Right. Then Laptev Sea second and then East Siberian Sea third. Now see guys. First है Kara Sea. That means 2 option. Second है Laptev Sea. That means third option. And third है first option. That means first. 2 3 1 would be the correct option. So the answer would be 2 3 1. West to east हमने इसको arrange कर दिया है. Now question number 4. Very easy question. Kara Sea, Laptev Sea, Siberian Sea are part of which ocean? So this is very easy. You know ये तीनों ऊपर lie करते हैं. That means in the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere में कौन सा ocean है? We know in the extreme northern ocean there lies Arctic Ocean. So the answer would be Arctic Ocean. See this map guys. This is physical map of the world, right? And you know हमने यहाँ देखा अभी यहाँ पे Kara Sea, Laptev Sea, Siberian Sea lie करते हैं. Right. So this is Arctic Ocean. Right. Now we are talking about Indian Ocean. उसमें एक option था. So Indian Ocean ये है. As you know this is our country India. So this is Indian Ocean. Right. Now we are talking about Atlantic Ocean. ये जो S shape का आपको दिख रहा है ये है Atlantic Ocean. And this part you are seeing ये है Pacific Ocean. ये वाला और ये वाला पैसिफिक ओशियन. एंड इन द एक्सट्रीम सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर ये है एंटार्क्टिक ओशियन. सो इन दिस वे आवर whole world is divided into 5 oceans. I hope it is clear to you now. Now we are moving towards the next question. Consider the following statement about Bering Sea. I told you about this also. As you know about the Bering Strait, which is the most important strait. क्यों? क्योंकि वो नॉर्थ अमेरिका और एशिया को डिवाइड करती है, अलास्का एंड रशिया, राइट. So we see the first option is part of Arctic Ocean. No, it is part of Pacific Ocean, right. It lies to the northeast of Russia. Yeah, it is right. So the answer would be only 2. B would be the correct option. Let us see it in the map also. See this map guys, आपको दिख रहा है, this is Russia and it is part of Asia. Actually it is a transcontinental country. ये दोनों में lie करता है, एशिया में भी और उसका थोड़ा पार्ट यूरोप में भी lie करता है, right. Now we are talking about Bering Sea. So Bering Sea lie करता है यहाँ पर. Now they are saying कि Bering Sea north east में है रशिया के. So yeah, it is right because Russia, this is the Russian country and this is the northern part, this is southern part and this is western part and this is eastern part. So Bering Sea lies in the northeast, so it is right. Now read the question again guys. Consider the following statements about Bering Sea. It is a part of Arctic Ocean. No, it is part of Pacific Ocean. It lies to the northeast of Russia. It is right. So the answer would be only 2. B would be the correct option. So guys, these are only the questions which I have come with today. Only 5 questions. I hope you have answered them correctly. So just do them, practice more and more you can. Practice maps as more as possible. And meet you in the next video of part 3rd of Asian continent. Till then, stay tuned to my channel guys and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and comment on it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.